Several years ago I purchased this Lego train set in the hope of having a sprawling train track going around my living room by the time my wife got home from work, but it was a tad disappointing. So I purchased a few more of the same set to make a longer track and a longer train. Then as time went by I purchased a few more Lego train sets, but realised I would need a lot more track for anything decent, so I bought a heap of track too. Now that I've compiled all this Lego, I think it might be a bit much for the living room, so I think I might build my dream Lego train station out here in my garden. I suspect I'm still not going to have anywhere near enough track, but we'll get started and see how we go. And here we arrive at our first problem. We need to get off the decking here and into the garden, and we're going to need some sort of bridge because there's a bit of a drop there. So what about tower bridge? Already got this set, of course, so why not integrate it? Well, we've got a little bit of an issue here because, as you can see, the train does not fit. There is no clearance there to get the train through. The width of the track is absolutely perfect, but we're going to have to make some modifications if we're going to get her through. It fits. The train will go through the bridge. Pretty cool. And I've got it coming out here at the moment into an area which will be a train station of sorts. Those tracks will probably be moved, just sort of temporary, just trying a few things out along with the road and the bike lane there and footpaths and stuff. Just playing around with a few ideas. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should put around this layout in terms of buildings and features. And I guess now we just need to get this train on track. Now before we do a full uninterrupted circuit of the track, I thought I'd just tell you about the next few stages of the track. So you will have seen them in the video. So this is stage 2, which will start somewhere here and head underneath the walkway there and down the side of the aviary over there, down the side of the property and back around A and D. And stages 3 and 4 will run down this ramp out to the front of the property. I've got some track here just because I've been doing some tests just to see if the train can get up and down this gradient. But yeah, those lines will be out the front, but they're a little way away yet. I will of course be doing stage 2 first. So let me know if there's anything you'd like to see around the track as I develop this around my garden. And let's finish with one full circuit of what we have so far.